Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Ferguson. Today we're going to be working on Skills Unit 6, Lesson 3. And by the end of this lesson today, you should be able to blend sounds, say words, say letter sounds in lowercase letter names, read and write words in which S is S as in cats or Z as in his, read the tricky words, point and read from left to right, and read Kit's hats with purpose and understanding. So today we're going to start off by blending. So get your hands out and I'll let you know how many sounds are in each word, okay? So the first word has 3 sounds. Leg. O-E-G. Leg. Good. The next word has 3 sounds. Log. O-A-G. Log. The next word has 4 sounds. Clog. K-O-A-G. Clog. The next word has 4 sounds. Clot. K-O-A-T. Clot. The next word has 5 sounds. Clots. K-O-A-T-S. Clots. Good. So the next set of words have something in common, so listen carefully. The first word has 3 sounds. Tree. T-R-E. Tree. The next word has 4 sounds. Leaves. O-E-V-Z. Leaves. The next word has 4 sounds. Twig. T-W-I-G. Twig. The next word has 5 sounds. Branch. B-R-A-N-C. Branch. And the last word has 5 sounds. Trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Great job blending. So what do those words have in common? Tree, leaves, twig, branch, trunk. That's right. They're all parts of a tree. Now, we're going to review all of the sounds that we learned so far this year. You ready? Let's say them together. M, A, T, D, A, K, G, E, N, H, S, F, V, Z, P, E, B, O, R, A. W, J, Y. S, K. Great job with those sounds. All right, time to sing our alphabet song again. We're going to put letters with those sound names, okay? So every time we say a letter of the alphabet as we sing, you're going to clap. And I'm going to pat my leg. Are you ready? Let's sing together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great job, boys and girls. Oh, all right, I have something tricky to teach you. This is the tricky spelling of this letter. What letter is that? That's right, S. What sound does the S make? That's right, S. The letter S is usually pronounced as S, but sometimes it's pronounced Z. That's the tricky part. So S can be like S or Z. It can make either one of those sounds. An S at the beginning of the word will most likely always be sounded as S. However, in positions in words, especially at the end of words, the S is sometimes pronounced Z. So let's read some words. This word, we wouldn't pronounce it as is. It's is. So your job is to figure out, when I sound out this word, does it make sense to me? Is, no. So that S is pronounced Z. What about this one? Is, his. This word is his. The S at the end is pronounced Z, his. What about this? As. Good. As. And this word, has. Has. So all of those words that we just went through, they end in the letter S, but remember, it's tricky sometimes, so we have to pay attention and sound it out. Make sure, does this make sense? Has. No. Has. So the S can be pronounced as S or Z at the end of words. All right, now it's time to chain. Let's blend this sound. It's a 4-sound word. I, p, s, rips. So if we change the to t, our new word would be tips. That's right. And if we change the t to s, our new word would be, that's right, sips. And if we take the s off the end of sips, our new word would be, that's right, sip. And if we add the O after the S, our new word would be, that's right, slip. And if we change the I to eh, our new word would be, that's right, slap. And if we take the O out of the word slap, our word would be, that's right, sap. And if we take the P and change it to a T, our new word would be, that's right, sat. And if we take the S off of sat, our new word would be, that's right, at. And if we change the T to a S, our new word would be, remember that tricky S, that's right, as. And if we change the A to I, our new word would be, that's right, is. Excellent job with that chaining. Now it's time to review our tricky words. Let's say them together. 1, 2, 3, the, a, blue, yellow, look, I. Great job. We have another new story. I'm so excited. It's called Kit's Hats. Kit's Hats. Can't wait to see what this story is all about. Ooh, something is circled over here. Do you see this right here? Yeah, that thing right there that's circled is called an apostrophe. Can you say apostrophe? Good, apostrophe. So when we see an apostrophe with the letter S tagged along, it means that someone owns something or something belongs to them. So these words say Kit's hats. So the hats belong to Kit. Kit's hats. They're her hats. So that's what that apostrophe S means. And this is the title page. And here's our table of contents. Can you point to Kit's hats? You can start right at the top and look for the words Kit's hats. You're right, here it is. And what page number does Kit's hats start on? You're right, page 23. Excellent job. Okay, so I'm going to read Kit's hats first, and then you're going to read it with me. And in this story, you're going to see darker letters. You see this dark letter S here? That's that tricky S at the end. So it's going to help us remember about the tricky S. Kit has hats. Kit has big hats. Kit has flat hats. Kit has fun hats. All right, such a good story. She has lots of cool hats. I want some of those hats. Do you? Yeah. So now it's your turn to read. So let's read together. Follow the arrow. We're reading from left to right. Kit has hats. Kit has big hats. Kit has flat hats. Kit has fun hats. Spectacular reading, everyone. I'm so proud of how far we've come. So now it's time to answer some questions about the story. Remember, we're going to use complete sentences when we answer. What is this story about? Remember, you can go back in the story, rewind the video if you need help remembering what the story is about. That's right. The story is about Kit's hats. What kind of hats does Kit have? Do you remember all those hats she has? That's right. Kit has big hats. Kit has flat hats. Kit has fun hats. Where does Kit keep her hats? Look at the illustration to answer this question. Illustration is just a fancy word for picture. So look at the illustration. Where does Kit keep her hats? That's right. Kit keeps her hats on her shelves. And who is the main character in this story? You're right. The main character in this story is Kit. Excellent job. Now I need you to head over to Google Forms, Skills Unit 6, Lesson 3, and fill it out. Great job today, everyone. Keep up the good work. I'm so proud of you.